Hi guys, a few weeks ago we've rebuilt the Arc themes, and it was mentioned today on Telegram, it was, right, that we have so many of these themes, and there are 56 themes out of 60 million colors that I could have chosen, so that's 0.0003% of all the colors there are. I've installed them all. This is the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. It can be launched on anything Arch based. Here's the long list of where you can install it, and you can use it, and that's important, on Openbox. The Arc theme, the normal Arc theme, doesn't care very much about the Openbox, but what we do with it will result in this right mouse click is something different. So if you go to preferences, that's where you should change it, that's important. Openbox GUI config tool, so the graphical, the system setting of Openbox itself, as you see up here. It always is too big for my feeling, but then you scroll down and you see you have all of these guys. So you have the possibility to choose any of those colors that we use. And they're they're all different colors, as simple as that. Bright, dark, orange, I mean, you choose. And that's the advantage of using our ArcoLinux Arc themes, because Openbox is covered. And Openbox, some of you may know that, but that was the first desktop environment, if we can call it that, right? Window manager that I was on Arch Labs 6 years ago. So it was important for us back then, it is important for us now. Openbox is my first desktop that I built ISOs for on Arch Labs 6 years ago. So there you go. That's an important bit, I would say. This little thing, maybe you think, oh, that's not nice, very strange, but you have to set that something else, somewhere else, right? Alex appearance, window border. Once you know, you know. But here it is, apply. Now any of these guys will always give the same nice color up there. It's always the same color because it's dark, right? Darker, tangerine is white, and then the dark and darker are both the same border. So any of the borders will be too fine. But it's the coloring that matters. The accent that you want to have, depending on the icons, the wallpaper that you have, is gonna be your choice. All right, so ATT, Ctrl-Alt-E, or yay ArchLinux Tweak Tool, and then go grab our ArcoLinux repos, need to be there, obviously, and then you select whatever you like. There's there's the dark ones, the blue ones, and nothing at all, or just show me what you've installed already, all of them. And you can uninstall all of them as well, right? And it is possible. All right, enjoy. Cheers.